and welcome to Tiarrea B Trading. And in this video, I'm excited to share with you guys my first full week as a profitable trader. Yes, I know, right? So I've been trading for about 2.5 months as a options trader. Let me tell you, the first couple of months have been a little brutal to me. However, I'm excited because I'm learning some things and I want to share with you how it went. So I won't get into too much detail as to all the trades I took and all those things, but I will tell you how much I made each week to give you guys kind of an idea. So I made some notes here. So on Monday, I was profitable by $7. On Tuesday, I was profitable by $136. On Wednesday, I made $36. On Thursday, I made $37. And on Friday, I made $16. So that's a total of $232 in the green. Okay, yes. Okay, so that being said, I did come up with 3 pros and cons to share with you guys on how I did this past week. Because although I was profitable, I definitely could have been even more profitable. So let's talk about the things I did well. So the first thing I did well was I studied the charts of my favorite stocks. So a few of my favorite stocks are Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD, Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY, and the S&P 500, ticker symbol SPY. Those are a few of my favorites. I studied them. I studied what happened the day before, weeks before, and I was ready. Number 2, I had great entry points. I did a good job waking up early, 8:30, as soon as the market was open. I was ready to make my entries. And the last thing I did really well was I had determination. Like, I was determined to be profitable all week, especially once I became profitable on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. I was like, oh, I gotta finish the week. I gotta have all green. Like, I gotta finish. So that determination really helped me out. On the con side, I definitely had a few things that I could have done better. So I've got 3 cons for you as well. The first thing I did wrong was over trading. There were times where I had 2 winning trades and then I just traded a few more times. I don't know if I was overconfident or what, but very unnecessary trades and took some L's on those trades. Still ending overall profitable for the day. Like, for instance, Friday, I was up like $59, and as you can see, I ended at being up $16, like that, right? So some over trades. Number 2, I did not manage my risk as well as I would like to have. That kind of goes hand in hand with having too many trades, because there were times where some of my option contracts have fell below 50%, which is my personal stop loss for options. Kind of a risky way to trade, but I'm okay with losing at least 50% of my trade, because sometimes it hit 50 and then it bounces in the other direction. So I'm kind of willing to take that risk for now. I might change that later, so don't take that as advice. Nonetheless, there were a few that hit like 75, 80% loss. So that's not good. Don't do that. And then last but not least, there were some opportunities where I saw profit and didn't take profit. And so that was one of the things I definitely overstayed my welcome in some of those plays. Just because it was going well, just expecting it to continue to go well and just staying too long and causing my wins to be smaller than what they would have been had I just got out when I saw the profit. You definitely don't want to get out too soon, but you also don't want to get out too late either. So it's a lot. It's a lot. I know that was a lot all at once, but I just wanted to share that victory with you guys, because although I'm very much so still making beginner mistakes, I still became profitable, and I know you can too. Yeah, if you like this video, please leave me with a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions, and let me know if you made some money in the market this week. In the meantime, I'll be trading. Blessings!